my foundation not matching? I got a bit of a tear, so if my foundation is a bit light, it is what it is. Hey y'all, it's SheRea. What's up? I swear to y'all, I am not going to become a wig channel. That is not what my channel is about. I am so dedicated to natural hair, taking care and growing beautiful and long natural hair. But to do that, I do a lot of protective styling. That should not be new to y'all if you've been on my channel. In just 2 years, I've been able to grow my hair down my back using twist and braids with my own hair, using head wraps, and using wigs. You may not see me wear wigs on this channel, but behind the scenes, I'll be wearing wigs. And I haven't been wearing wigs that often because I haven't been wanting to deal with the lace and laying the lace and making sure the lace is good and all of that. I ain't have time for all that. I want to do something quick and easy, and that's why headband wigs have entered the chat. No glue, no lace, no playing, no finagling. It's a wear and go. Today I'll be trying hair from CurlsCurls. 2 of my favorite wigs are from CurlsCurls. I will put some pictures on the screen. I love this company. I bought a wig from them with my own money. It's not just about them sending me hair. They sent me a wig and I loved it so much. I went out and bought my own wig with my own money, paid full price and everything, and when the wig came, it was bomb. It wasn't thin, it wasn't ratty. So this is the wig. This is their Kinky Curly Headband wig. It is in the texture 3C4A, so it's supposed to mimic or imitate that natural texture. It is 18 inches. Usually I like a lot of hair. This is 18 inches. I wanted a big, nice, cute fro. So this is 18 inches and it's in the cap size medium. I got a big old head, so hopefully it fits. So let's see what it's twerking with. What I like about CurlsCurls is, unlike some other brands, the curls are from the top to the bottom, from the roots to the tips. Sometimes you'll get a wig and the front or the beginning of the curls are straight and then it curls, but not CurlsCurls. You get the curl from the roots to the tip. And I like it. So let's pop the wig on. It did come with 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back, so 4 combs in total. But I took those out because, what do I say? I don't want to be bald. No, honestly, those wig clips and stuff can pull your hair out. And because we got booty cut length hair goals, we're not do that, okay? So they also have adjustable straps, which I actually don't think my other wig had, so that's cool. So you can further tighten the wig if it's too big, which is good. So you don't necessarily need bobby pins or anything. So this is in the size medium. Looks a bit small for my big old head, but we gonna see. Now we're just going to secure it in the back. And make sure to pull your wig cap down so it doesn't pull on your edges. And I just secure it in place. This hair is freshly co-washed. It has nothing on it. All I did was co-wash the hair yesterday and I drip dry on my fan like a blow dryer, like overnight. That's all I did. There's no product in this hair. This is how it naturally dried. This is what it's looking like so far. Let me comb it out. I'm just not feeling how it's looking. I like my afros to be a bit bigger, so I'm just going to pick it at the roots. Product be making all the difference. Now, this is the CurlsCurls I know and love. You need products. Don't be trying to just wash it and go. It needs a bit more. Just based on the texture. You know, natural hair needs a bit more work than other textures. So I say this needs product. At least for me, based on how I want to wear it needs a little bit more. This looks so much better. But you see this little thing here? I don't like this at all. I'm just going to cut that off. Obviously, you don't have to. I'm not going to do much cutting. These wigs are already shaped and stuff. But I don't like this straggly piece here. This is really optional, but I just wanted to look a certain way. So I'm just cutting off these little pieces. Now that's cute. All right, now for the final part, which is picking a headband. There's several on the website. They sent me a whole bunch. So they sent some silky ones like this. That's nice. That kind of goes with this. That wasn't planned, but here we is. There's like one like this. There's the tube one like this. Haven't been really into prints lately, so that's a no. And they also sent a easy detangling brush, which is cool. I didn't use that. I prefer to, finger style this type of hair just to reduce the amount of shedding and all of that stuff. So yeah, I think we're gonna try this. Let's see what this one do. All I'm going to do is literally push back the headband a bit. I mean, you can wear it like this, but I just don't think that's cute. So I just push it back a little bit, fold it like that. I'm just gonna tie it in the back. All right, y'all, these are the final results. What do y'all think? Did I kill this or nah? Is my foundation not matching? I got a bit of a tear, so if my foundation is a bit light, it is what it is. Let's talk about my final thoughts about the wig. It is a really cute wig. You'll definitely see me rocking it again. But it isn't necessarily super beginner friendly. I personally think that you have to shape it a bit. And if you're not comfortable with that, I'm not sure it's for you. But if you have no problem styling or shaping a wig, then it's definitely worth trying. All right, y'all, I am out. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you are interested in trying headband wigs, if you considered it, why you don't want a headband wig, why you want one but you haven't bought one. Let's dialogue down below. Shout out once again to CurlsCurls for keeping the lights on. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.